Hi everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel Chemistry Unfolded. Today we will be studying about acids and bases. Let us move ahead. First, we move to study the Arrhenius concept of acids and bases. The Arrhenius acids are the ones that release H plus ions in water. Like if you have HCl, it breaks up to give you H plus and Cl minus. Coming to Arrhenius bases, they release OH minus ions in water. Like NaOH will become Na plus plus OH minus. So what is important in this concept to remember is the definition. Based on the definition, you can easily solve the MCQs. Next we have the other examples, like the non-metallic oxides are acidic in nature, whereas the metallic oxides are basic. Now for this, what you have to remember is the periodic table. So in the periodic table, if you know which part of the periodic table contains the metals, which ones contain the non-metal, based on that you can easily actually make out which ones are acidic and basic. Like if you have non-metallic oxides, you easily know now they are acidic, and metallic oxides are basic. Next we have Bronsted acid and bases. They are called as protonic theory. Here the acids donate an H plus ion. That means the acids donate a proton. Like if you have HCl, H2SO4, HNO3, they all give away a proton. Whereas bases, they accept a proton. Like ammonia will accept a proton and become NH4 plus. If you want me to write the reaction, let me write. Ammonia will accept a proton from HCl and it will become NH4 plus plus Cl minus. Okay, so bases are the ones which accept the H plus. We have the other theory called as the conjugate acid base theory, and here we see that one base and one acid react among themselves to give a conjugate acid and a conjugate base. Here we observe that ammonia reacted with HCl and became the conjugate acid, that is NH4 plus, and Cl minus became the conjugate base. Same way we see acetic acid reacts with water to give you the acetate ion, that is CH3COO minus and H3O plus. So your conjugate acid is, I think there is a small error over here. This is acid, so this should be the conjugate base. This is the conjugate base and this is the conjugate acid. I'm sorry, this is a mistake over here. Okay, here is a list of conjugate acids and conjugate bases that I have done. You can go through them and just remember what conjugate acid is there, which conjugate base is there for that particular conjugate acid. Lewis acid base theory. According to this theory, acids are lone pair acceptor. All the electrophiles are Lewis acids. What are electrophiles? The ones that are electron deficient. They must contain a suitable vacant orbital. You have BF3, BCl3, AlCl3, Ag+, they're all electron deficient. So they have vacant orbitals and therefore they are called as Lewis acids, which are lone pair acceptors. Base is a lone pair donor, that is, it's a nucleophile which has a lone pair or some extra electrons, or it is electron rich, which it can easily donate to others. Okay, like ammonia, we know according to the structure of ammonia that it has a lone pair. So these are the Lewis bases which easily donate the lone pair. Next we have some questions here. Which of the following is not a Lewis acid? So as I told you earlier also, please go through the definition, make them by heart, and based on the concept what I said, Lewis acids, they're electrophile, they're electron deficient. So in this, CO2 is the one which is electron deficient. Next example we have is of conjugate base of NH4 plus. If you go through the table, you can easily make out. Let me go to the table. Conjugate base of NH4 plus. I guess it's not there, but you can do the reaction and see. The answer is B, that is ammonia. Next, which of the following is most acidic in water? Which is the most acidic? It's H plus, because it easily releases the proton which it has. It breaks into H plus and F minus. Now the most basic species among the following is, so to say most basic, it must have either a lone pair or it must be electron rich. So there it is, CH3. Thank you. I hope you've liked the video. If you've liked, please share with your friends and subscribe to my channel.